Here's a quick guide showing you how to turn on Amazon one-click ordering. First, open Amazon in your browser and sign into your account. Using the desktop version gives you full control over checkout settings. Hover over Account and Lists in the top right and click Account. Inside your account dashboard, look for the section called Ordering and Shopping Preferences. Click One-Click Settings. This page lets you enable or disable one-click purchases for your entire account. To turn it on, click Turn on One-Click. Amazon will ask you to select a default shipping address and a default payment method. Choose the address you want to use for instant ordering, and then select the payment method you want Amazon to charge automatically. Below that, you'll see device-specific settings. This means you can turn one click on for your browser, but keep it off for the Amazon app, or the other way around. Click Turn on Next to any device or app where you want one-click purchasing enabled. Keep in mind, with one-click ordering enabled, items are purchased instantly. There's no checkout page. So make sure your default address and card are correct, especially if you've moved or updated payment information. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Amazon one-click ordering.